Hi there, students. Invective. Invective is a noun, both countable and uncountable, although I think it's more common as an uncountable noun. The corresponding verb is to inveigh, and I have a video about to inveigh. So, invective is rude, abusive, critical language. He shouted invectives at the police. He was swearing at the police. Invective, strong accusations that are bitterly sarcastic. He threw racist invective at the demonstrators. So invective is harsh, strong language designed to shame, to disgrace, and to criticize the person that's being reproached. His diatribe against the government was filled with invective. So, invective, criticism that's trying to blame, embarrass, and offend the person being criticized. For the Romans, I think invective was something that they used as propaganda, different politicians, and very often it was close to slander or libel, false accusations, and they would accuse their opponents of cowardice, drunkenness, lack of intelligence, perverted sexual tastes. Yeah, so his invective against his opponent included accusations of all these things. The gutter press often uses invective against politicians or personalities that they disapprove of. So invective, extreme criticism with extremely rude, unpleasant, indecent language and with indecent content. Accusations that may be ad hominem, accusing the person as opposed to their abilities. Okay, so invective. Next question is formality. I think I'd probably give this something like a 7.5 to 8 in formality. Informally in the pub, don't use this. Abuse, swearing, criticism, something like that. He went for him. Yeah, he shouted invectives at him. He shouted abuse at him. With invectives, stick to something semi-formal and very formal. It's up on the formal end of the scale. Let's see, in medieval Latin, there was a word invectivus, meaning abusive, and abusive speech. And from Roman Latin, invectus, which came from in and veho. Veho, to carry, is linked to the word vehicle. So, I don't know, carry in? Well, maybe it's related. Invective, strong abusive criticism. Language that is rude and designed to hurt, shame, disgrace the person being reproached. So there you go, invective. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Invective.